Welcome to this demo of the new Brandworkz Web-to-Print functionality. So here we have the display of the different templates that are available. If you want to see what artworks have already been created with each template, you can open up this drop down here where you get a visual preview of each artwork, the name, who it was created by, when it was last modified, and the different actions that are available. If you want to create a new artwork, just click on Create New Artwork here, and that will open up the editor within Brandworkz. So here on the left hand side we can see the different fields that can be edited, and here in the center we have the artwork. So we start off by creating an A4, which is 210 by 297 pixels. We can see that all the different elements have increased in size proportionately and the overall artwork is larger. If we reduce the height to 260 pixels, we can see all the elements have reduced in size and moved up the artwork. If we move that now to 220 pixels, we see that there's a little yellow check mark here which indicates that this artwork was designed for portrait use, and with these dimensions of 210, 220 it's more of a square, which isn't ideal. So if we create an A5 which is 148 by 210 pixels, we see the check mark has disappeared and the artwork is now in portrait again and all the elements are to the correct size. So here we can see some of the customized content. So we have the country UK, which means that the pound sign is displayed here before the price. There is an automatic option available and you can have up to 53 miles per gallon. If we swap that to the US, we see that the dollar sign has replaced the pound. The automatic option is no longer available and all these elements have shifted across, and the miles per gallon have reduced to 44. We can also control the price and advance payment only checkbox here, so we see the asterisk and the terms and conditions below. If we uncheck that box, we see both have disappeared. If we check it again, they've both reappeared. We can also control the pricing here, so it's currently set to $17.99. If we up that to 2,000, we can see that it quickly updates here. If we increase that to 20,000, we can see the separator has moved across along and also the asterisk has moved further along to the right. We can also control the images here on the left, so we see a preview of the image. If we want to change that, we select the plus sign here, and we get a window open with the different options that are available. So these are the options that have been made available by the template designer. With different configurations of the image field, you can allow end users to upload their own images, browse around the entire library, or pick images from the end user's own folder that they themselves have uploaded and no one else can use. But in this case we'll go for the blue card at the top here, and you can see the images swapped out quite quickly. So next we go to the dealer name. So at the moment there's no dealer name inserted, but if we go to the box here and input a name, we can see that it's updated very quickly. If we want to put a longer name, again, you can see that the text updates nice and quickly. Below we have the delivery address here, so we have a maximum 200 characters that can be used here. 108 have been used. This could also be done with variables, so that you could have all the different dealership names, for example, input into the system already, and it would be a simple case of using a select box to choose the right one, and then the artwork would be automatically populated. Once you're happy with your artwork, you come up to the name, to the top here, and add a name. Hit save, and you're ready to go.